everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. If you are new, then hello, my name is Carly. I post videos twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my channel. In today's video I am doing a Poundland haul and it is huge. I have literally just got through the door from Poundland and thought I've got to show you what I got, because I got really good stuff. I think this is the most I've ever spent in Poundland, and I found some really nice bits. So I will jump straight into the video and show you exactly what I got. I've got two massive bags like this, heavy big bags, this and then another one. And yeah, I'm excited for all my little purchases. So go grab yourself a drink if you want and sit back and I will show you exactly what I bought from Poundland, guys. Okay, so I'll just start with the first bag. This thing is the first thing out of the bag. This is just something that the kids have picked up. Their cousins have got one, so when you throw it, it makes a noise. That was obviously a dart ball. There we go. So that is something for the kids to play with outside. I'm sure we will be across the fields throwing that later on. So that is the first purchase. I also picked up a couple of packs of face cloths. So they are a pack of 2. I apologise if you can hear Rudy rustling around in these bags. As I'm filming it, he thinks I bought him a toy, because I normally buy him a toy, and he's going through the bags to try and find this toy that doesn't exist. I'm sorry, Rudy. Rudy, come out. So I bought a 2-pack of cloths. I bought obviously 2 packs of a 2-pack because I never have too many face cloths. I like to have them just like rolled up on show as well. So I got a couple of packs of those. I also picked up this, which I thought was really cute. Obviously it was £1, which I just thought that is a bargain. It's this little mirrored tray. I just thought that was really pretty. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. Maybe put in like a reed diffuser or something on it. Just some little trinkets and knickknacks. I just thought that was really pretty for £1. This little mirrored tray. Absolute bargain, and they had loads of them. I also picked up a storage jar, which I might actually do a little bit of an upcycle with it. Yeah, I'm not sure yet, but you can never have too many of these. I'm always finding something to put in these, and it just says homemade on the front. I just thought that was really cute and will definitely come in. I use them for things like the marshmallows for the kids' hot chocolates, and I put my oats in one of them, and flour and things, sweets. I just think they're really nice to have on show on the side or on a shelf in the kitchen. So yeah, I probably should have got some more of them actually, but I just picked up one, just what would fit in the basket is the honest answer. But yeah, happy with that. Peter picked up some Lynx Gold shower gel. It's pretty self-explanatory. So he got himself that. One of the kids put this in. This is really nice actually. I really like the M&M's crunchy ones. That's my favourite. Yeah, I think Dylan put this in. Archie might have put one in for himself as well. So obviously you cannot go into one of those shops without picking up a few treats. You just have to. So the kids picked up a few bits of chocolate. Rudy, there is nothing in there for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Roo. Sad face because I didn't get him a toy. Sorry, bud. But I did get you these. I did pick these up for Rudy. I thought these were really nice. Little ceramic bowls, because at the minute he's just got metal ones, and these look nicer. I thought that was a really good little price for them. So one for his water, one for his food. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. I picked up a new Matic sponge. I love these for the bathroom. I think they're just great for cleaning. Obviously mine was getting a little bit tatty, so I've got a new one of them. They are scratch resistant and they don't leave smears or anything, so I think they are very good for the bathroom. I also picked up some of these Matic refills for my Matic. I can't say it without going Matic refills. Again, self-explanatory. Really good price for £1. Rudy, don't eat my sponge. Oh, bless him. He's so sad that I haven't got him a toy. He's playing with a sponge. He's devastated. Some more pegs. I never have enough pegs. I also picked up some of these hooks because I'm planning to put a few of them up in my wardrobe. I've changed the wardrobe around a little bit, so it's going to be handy just to hang up belts and scarves and things because there is some space to do that. So I thought they would come in handy, and that is a pack of 4. I picked up these for the kids, which I was really happy I found actually. I got some for each year group. So Archie's 4, Dylan's 6 and Toby's 8. So I managed to get an English and maths book for each of the boys. So Archie's going to start school in September. I don't really do a lot with him homeschooling wise or anything, but I thought it'd be quite nice because of his brothers are doing work. He wants to do things with them. He doesn't want to be left out. So they've all got these books. I'm really hoping will be good for them to do on days when I haven't planned anything particularly for homeschool, or I'm at a bit of a loose end and they're coming to me saying what can I do. So yeah, I picked up these, and obviously £1 each. I think they will come in handy and hopefully stop me from feeling the mum guilt that I feel when I haven't done that much homeschooling with them. Found another M&M bar. I have to try and not eat that. Now this I saw was really good. I'm a absolute sucker for stationery and notebooks, pens, everything, but I saw this and it is a weekly planner. I just love the colour of it. It's very me. It's just the kind of thing that I'm always drawn to, this blush pink. And then inside it's got sections for work, home and play, and I thought that'd be really good for jotting down any YouTube ideas. I'd rather have, I tend to use the same notebook for sort of everything, meal plans, YouTube, kids work and things like that, and it all can get a little bit mixed up and confusing. So I'm going to keep this just for YouTube mainly, and then maybe the kids' schoolwork or something like that as well, just so I can keep organised. So yeah, that for £1 I thought was really pretty. The next thing I picked up was this little mug. It's a tin mug, obviously for the outdoors. I got it for my sister because she is growing vegetables and things like crazy. She is just like got so much on the go in the garden, so I just saw it and just thought it was funny. Obviously it says I get so excited I wet my plants. I just thought that was a really cute little mug, and they had other ones as well that had like funny little sayings on. So I think if you have a gardener in your family or anything that has a cute little gift, you could fill it with like favourite sweets and chocolates and things, or just put little gardening accessories, some seeds and things. You can make a really nice little gift with this. Huge pack of pencils. Peter put these in 30 pack because the kids are losing the pencils all the time, and when they are sitting down to their work telling me they can't find any, so I'm forever buying pencils at the minute. So 30 pencils there. Hopefully that will last them for a few weeks. And again, because I was saying about I wanted separate lists just to try and keep more organised, I bought this, which is a meal plan notepad. And this can just be stuck on the fridge. It has a magnet at the back. Yeah, again, I just thought this was much better. I can put it on the fridge. Everyone can sort of know exactly what's what for the week. I can be organised, keeping it in the kitchen, keeping it on show. I won't forget, because I do this sometimes where I write them out and then I can't remember which notepad I've wrote them in. So this is going to be much better. I can keep this in the kitchen for everyone to have a look at. I don't even know what these are, so I think the kids or Peter have put these in. Sour infernals, sour lollipops. I don't know why I'm pulling my face. I probably quite like them actually. This is something I put in because I just love these. Milky Way crispy rolls. These are so nice. If you've never had one of these, you need to have one. They are just so good. But yeah, I just picked them up. They were one of those things that was just in a basket by the till that I couldn't walk past without putting it in just before we paid. But yeah, picked up them. I got the kids some more felt tips because again, they get broken or chewed up by the dog, or the lid gets left off and they get dried up, so I picked up them for £1. Okay, moving on to the next bag. Oh, okay, these were really good little find. I picked up these really cute little candle holders. These were just £1 each. Obviously, I'm saying that like it's obvious everything's £1, but not actually everything is £1 in there, is it? Some things are £2 and some things are obviously a bit more. But yeah, these are £1 each, I think. I just think they're gorgeous. I've got a little bit of a candle holder addiction. I have them everywhere. I probably did not need these, but they were too cute to leave behind, so I will definitely find somewhere to put these. I picked up some Astonished hand wash because I needed some. Yeah, I got this in the scent Milk and Honey. So there we go, hand wash. And I also picked up these because I am planning on doing a gallery wall on my stairs. I want to have loads of nice little bits going up the stairs, and I am doing it in grey theme, grey and white. And I just saw these and I just thought that that would work really well. I maybe should have got 2 packs actually. They had all the colours. They definitely had white frames, oh, silver and gold as well. They might have had black as well. But they are 4x6 and it is a 2-pack of frames, and I just think what an absolute bargain. So I can get some nice little prints or little quotes or photos and have them going up the stairs. I'm just slowly collecting things that I want to put on the wall, and then I can sort of style it all out and see how I want everything. But yeah, I thought that was an absolute bargain. To go with the candle holders, I picked up 2 of these pillar candles, which are the fake ones, so I can put batteries in. I don't think they come with batteries. No, I mean, they don't feel very real. I don't know if from a distance you probably won't be able to tell that they're fake. So that is how the candle looks on the candlestick. I mean, £2 I think that is altogether. That is just what a bargain. I'm really pleased with that as a little accessory around the house. Poundland, well done. I picked up these measuring spoons because I don't have any of them, and I just saw them and thought that would come in handy because I don't measure anything. I try and do everything by eye, so this will come in so that I actually get the right measurements for things. And they were obviously £1, 6-pack of measuring cups. I think Peter put this in, bless him, a little plastic box for all my pegs because mine has gone rusty, and yeah, we definitely needed another one, so there we go. Little basket for them. Another thing I picked up were these anti-aging collagen hydrogel eye patches. I just thought these sounded like a really nice little thing to have in for a pamper night. So there is 4 packs in here. Really wanted to get some more of these since getting some in my glossy box this month, and I just thought these were a really good price. They are by #6, I think the brand is called. So yeah, I'm excited to give them a try. I also picked up this, which I have a complete addiction to. If you don't know that, I have mentioned it before in a few of my videos. So we went somewhere that sold Pepsi Max, therefore I bought Pepsi Max. I think that was about £3. I got some of this Imperial leather shower gel. Nar will always love you. Oh, that's cute. And that smells really nice. So yeah, excited to try that. I also picked up this little cute pen. I just love little things like this. Really girly, really pretty. I hope it actually works. I think, yeah, really pretty little pink pen with a little gold detail and the big old diamond on the top. I really like that. And then I picked up these. Well, I didn't pick up these. Toby picked up these for himself. Little bag of Starburst. He does not like chocolate. I don't understand why. I must have overdone it when I was pregnant with the chocolate, because I just don't understand how I can have a child that doesn't like chocolate. But it's not a bad thing, I suppose, is it? But he does like sweets, so he put them in. Obviously the other 2 picked up chocolate and he picked up some Starburst. And then I also picked up this. I don't have a clue what it smells like. It is a fragrance mist. I just thought it'd be quite nice to have in the bathroom. In the I was going to say the shade of the scent Pink Floral. Oh, it does smell quite nice. I might just use it more as like a room spray, and it's just quite nice packaging. It's quite strong scented. That would be quite nice to keep on the side, putting it on a shelf. I can have it in the bathroom on here with a nice little candle, maybe. We'll see. And I think that is pretty much everything. That was quite a big old haul from Poundland. I am really impressed. Peter also bought some kites and like bits of fishing stuff, but that was not that interesting. Obviously the kids have got the kites out the bag already. I think he's making them downstairs with them. So yes, that is everything, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this Poundland haul, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, then it would mean the world to me if you hit the subscribe button as well, and I will see you again for my next video. Bye.